Hello friends! Today I will teach you how to make potatoes and peas curry, also called Alu Matar Curry. This is a very quick recipe and made with only 3 spices, and no ginger and garlic have been used. And anyone can make it as it's a very simple recipe. I will cook this in an electric pressure cooker, but you can use any cooker of your choice. So let me quickly get started. 6 medium-sized potatoes cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 small tomatoes diced, 1 bowl of green peas, 1 onion sliced, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried mango powder, 2 tablespoon of ghee, salt to taste, and oil for cooking. That's all. As I'm cooking this in the electric pressure cooker, I'm going to put it in the saute mode and in high and start cooking. If you're using a regular pressure cooker, you don't have to do anything of that sort. Once the pot is hot, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of white oil and then adding the sliced onion. I'm going to saute the onions well until it turns golden brown. Now adding the chopped tomatoes. I'm going to saute the tomatoes and the onions in the oil until both of them are well cooked and the oil starts to separate. Now I'm going to add the potatoes and mix it well. I'm stirring it for 2 minutes. Now adding the dry spices, the cumin powder and the red chili powder. I'm stirring it for 2 minutes until everything is well combined. After that, I am adding the green peas, then adding salt as per taste and mix it well. Now, just before adding the water, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and the mango powder or the amchur powder and mix it. Now I'm adding 1 bowl of water to a level enough to submerge the vegetables into it. Now I'm going to close the pressure cooker and seal the vent, and in pressure mode I'm going to cook it for 6 minutes. If you're using a regular pressure cooker, the method is the same, only you're going to make sure that after 3 whistles, you turn off the gas. The simple and quick home-style Alu Matar is finally ready. Just add 1 tablespoon of ghee before serving it to add that extra flavor. You can enjoy it with any kind of Indian flatbread of your choice. This simple and quick recipe tastes amazing. Do give this a try. Comment below to let me know how was it. Please subscribe to my channel Soumiz World for more recipes. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.